Hello and welcome to this quick video in which we're gonna take a look at the course structure. Alright, so in the first section we're gonna introduce project finance. The transactions eligible for project finance. We'll compare it to corporate finance. We'll explore who are the key stakeholders and what are their roles and responsibilities. Then we'll focus more on the contractual relationships between the parties, the financial flows and the risks. In the second section, we'll talk about public-private partnerships, we'll compare them to public procurement, and we'll also see the different types of agreements that exist in a public-private partnership. The third section will be much more focused on the financial aspects of project finance. We'll talk about the financing instruments, the order of repayment, the cash flow cascade, and the metrics that the stakeholders look at. And keep in mind that different stakeholders look at different metrics. So we'll see what are the differences between the metrics and which stakeholder look at what metric. So we have different metrics for different stakeholders. All right. In the fourth section, we'll see what a financial model is made of, how do we build it, and we'll also see some of the best practices to build a financial model. And in the last section, which is a bonus section, we'll have a look at the questions that you may be asked during a financial modeling test. So if you're actively looking for jobs in the project finance industry, this could be very useful for you. All right, that was it for the structure of this course. And now let's get started.